give credit where credit's due. This is gonna be the beginning of the Malibu bumper, but Mama painted her and her friend, they knocked out the brake calipers, and then he painted he tinted the windows. And it's crazy because this is 35%, but it looks like it looks darker on this car compared to the Q. But yeah, they did a really good job. And just a spoiler, Becky got tint too. So y'all see, we get in there, his and hers. So playing cars and roulette right now because they needed my garage up there. So about to go get the Eclipse. Alrighty, boys and girls, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are out here trying to assemble this new bumper. Finally got a bumper for the Malibu. It's gonna look like this for a little while until we get it painted, but this all brand new black grill. Whoever designed the grills are dumb because it's a two-piece, so you can't just like push it in like a normal car. You have to break off one of the pieces, not break off, but like unclip it, and then sandwich it into the bumper. Whoever designed that at Chevy, they need help because that's annoying. But so we're here. The bumper came with everything, as y'all see right here. We just got a temporary bolt. I gotta find the bag of bolts I had. Don't know where the bag of bolts is, and I ain't even going to take all the credit. Becky's the one that clipped this in. I helped. She clipped. Yeah, I was her assistant this time. Yeah, so that was funny. But yeah, so we got a nice fresh black grill. Show them the grill real quick. Black grill, same black and chrome Chevy badge. I threw the other one away, didn't want it, but yeah, on the other one there was nothing wrong with it. It's just this was broke, and I think the black grill with the way Becky's car looks, it'll look better. Yeah, she got to replace hers. Hers is chipping. That was the box, you're fine. Yeah. But yeah, so we're letting the bumper heat up a little bit more because it was fighting us a tad bit. But yeah, boys, hopefully this goes swell. All right, so for people that may not know, you have to put this bottom section on first. This, I don't know why Chevy designed it like that. Yeah, it's dumb. So you got to put this section on first, and then this is easier if you feed it in through the back, and it's best to have a second person to help you line it up, and then you can just clip it all in. Basically, we're gonna put that side on now, but these clips is what's holding it in. So we're gonna call it quits. But literally, you just clip it in here. It's hot out here. We're dying, and we just got off work, but it's going to fight you. And it could be because this is an aftermarket grill, so I'm gonna just leave it for the professionals. I was trying to get a bumper on the car, but that ain't gonna happen. Poor thing. But yeah, I could have just threw on the bumper, but the thing is this bumper has been sitting in the sun for like damn near a week, and so maybe that had something to do with why it's fighting us so much, or just aftermarket grill. It could just be that these aren't reaching. And I don't think this is an OEM bumper. I just found the bumper and paid for it. I don't know if that mattered, but it's damn near there. Y'all see, like down here, it's there. But since this part up top won't clip in, this section won't clip in. Like it clips in, but it just won't stay clipped in. So, and I low-key think I already damaged it, but I think that's just something sticky. So, yeah, we tried. A for effort.
I got a boo-boo.
Yeah, she stabbed herself with a screwdriver.
I didn't mean to.
But, all right, that's all.